Hola mi amigos. Okay, I could not resist making this video. It's gonna be a short one, but I just opened up um, this coconut yogurt that I made. Um, so I've given it a good amount of time, like at least. So let's see. The last day that I put it all in a jar, I blended up a bunch of coconut meat, enough where it was like a pretty thick, kind of like a cake batter type texture, consistency. And so that was Saturday night, and today's Friday. Yeah, I'm pretty sure today's Friday. I don't really keep up with the days because another day, another dollar. But anyways, it is. It was popping. I opened the jar, and it was like it popped out of there. It's that ripe. So, whew, it's so good. So yes, you can enjoy the wonderful taste of yogurt without eating animal products, and it's healthy for you. So I didn't actually put probiotics in this, but given it enough time to culture, there's already good microorganisms in there that we're feeding on the sugars, so it gives it that ripe yogurty taste. So if I were to let it go even longer, I could make like a sour cream. You know what I mean? So um, go make yourself some coconut yogurt. Get yourself a blender. Um, get some jars with some plastic lids on them. Um, I, Pretty soon I should have a link where I can take you there so that you can go get some yourself and enjoy with me. So much love to you all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Peace be with you.